bawb, croeso. Hello everyone, welcome. Hello everyone, welcome. Gwres, eithafol, un mor beryglus ar oerfel i'r digartref elusen. Extreme heat, as dangerous as the cold for the homeless, says a charity. Cyfres, pedwar a phennod rhif, chant a thri. Series 4 and episode number 332. On a nos, in the night, or at night. So, heddiw dydd Mercher, today is Wednesday, y pedwaredd ar hugain o Fehefin, the 24th of June, 2026, ac mae hi'n 12 munud wedi 9 o hwyr. And this is 12 minutes past 9 p.m. Mae gan y wers hon artist cerddorol Cymraeg arall a chan newydd. This lesson has another Welsh language music artist and a new song. A link there for odliadur. Iadur means an instrument or a book of something. Odli means to rhyme. So it's a rhyming dictionary. There's a link there to a rhyming dictionary website someone's done. It helps you write poetry, that sort of thing, and songs. Got one at the end. I haven't put the music to it yet. These are the words from today's. We've got a biography for Al Lewis, songwriter, and we've also got the lyrics to one of his songs on the North at night. Pwllheli is Pwllheli, a town in Gwynedd, means saltwater pool. So Pwll is a pool, and Heli, like Helen, is salt, but Heli means like brine or watery or salty sort of thing. Oh yeah. Nodedig, impressive, remarkable, notable, noteworthy. Lais, a stream, or your voice, the soft mutation of llais. So it can be the soft mutation of glais, meaning a stream, or a soft mutation of llais as well, meaning voice. That's what we're using it for here. Gyfansoddi, compose, soft mutation of cyfansoddi. Yrfa, career, soft mutation of gyrfa. Trodd, hisio, it turned, past third person singular of Troy. Turn. Sorry, I'm just clicking something. Denodd, hisio, it attracted, third person past third person singular of Denny, to attract. Albumai, albums, plural album. Myfyriol, contemplative, meditative, thoughtful. Acoustic, Cove, memory. Twf, growth, expansion, twf. Allu, be able, soft mutation of gallu. Teimladwy, impassioned, sensitive, touching. Threfnianau, arrangements, aspirate mutation of trefnianau. Effeithiol, effective, efficient. Agos, imminent, near, close. Grandawyr, listeners. Cydweithio, collaborate or cooperate. Cydweithio. Artistiaid, artists, plural of artist. Berfformiadau, performances, soft mutation of perfformiadau. Hawyrgylch, atmosphere, and H put on the front of awyrgylch. Gyflwyno, present, introduce. Gydau, so that's gyda with ei, the pronoun. Ei, his or hers, its. Gydau, with his, with hers, with its. Contraction of the two words put together. Ddill, his method, manner, approach, style, soft-magician of dill. Agosatrwydd, intimacy, warmth. These rwydd words are masculine. Gonestrwydd, that's masculine as well. Honesty. Nodweddu, typify. Wythnosau, weeks, plural of wythnos. Gyfesu, admit, confess. Gadw, is keep, soft mutation of cadw. Lenwi, fill, to fill up something, like fill up a bottle. That's the soft mutation of llenwi. Blynyddau, that's a word that's a plural of blynydd. Blynydd. There's different words for year and years, used by different people over different times. Probably different phrases as well. Ers blynyddoedd, ers blynyddau. Different things. Deud. It's another way of saying say. We had gweud, south way of saying it yesterday. And now we've got deud, a more north way of saying dweud. And that's it for words there. So on to the biography of Alois. My Alois, actually you can read that yourself off the web lesson. I'll do the lyrics instead. Lyrics of the song Yn y Nos at Night. Ers wythnosau, dwi di methu cysgu'n iawn. For weeks I've been unable to sleep properly. Llawn cwestiynau, dydy'r ateb ddim yn dod yn hawdd. Full of questions, the answer doesn't come easily. Mae gen I rhywbeth I gyfesu. I've got something to confess. And it says that again. Ti'n dal I gadw fi fyny. You still keep me awake, or keep me up. Ti'n dal I lenwi fy mhen. You still fill my head. Repeat that. Yn y nos, at night, at night. Ti'n dal I lenwi fy mhen yn y nos. You still fill my head at night. Ers blynyddau, dwi di bod yn methu deud. For years I've been unable to say. Dwi di arfer cau lawr a peidio gwneud. I've become used to shutting down and not doing it. I'm not doing it. Yeah. Ond dim hi ydy'r un dwi'n methu. But she, ond dim hi ydy'r un dwi'n methu. But she's not the one I can't get over. Ond, only she, on dim on. So yeah, but she's not, but not her, the one I can't get over. I'm not sure about her. Ond dim hi ydy'r un dwi'n methu. Ond is but, dim is not, but not her. But not her. It's the one that keeps me, that one that I miss, fail. Not sure how that works. Ti'n dal I gadw fi fyny. You still keep me awake. Ti'n dal I lenwi fy mhen. You still fill my head. And that repeats a bit about the other words and the rest of it. Yeah, they repeat. Yeah, and I've got a little poem as well. Canwch y dydd a'r nos. Sing the day and night. Gyda'r odliadur wrth gwrs. With the rhyme dictionary, of course. Gall help I dysgwr. It can help a learner. Sydd ddim yn siŵr. Who isn't sure. Today's news. Carcharu 6 o bobl am oes am lofruddio menw yn Rhondda Cynon. 6 people have been jailed for life for murdering a woman in Rhondda Cynon. Rhybydd coch am res eithafol mewn grym wrth I ysgolion gai. Ysgolion gai. A red warning for extreme heat is in force as schools close. Cymeradwyo cynllun ynni hydro. How do you pronounce that? Looks like hydro in English. It might be hydro. Cymeradwyo cynllun ynni hydro dadleuol yn Eryri. Controversial hydro energy plan approved in Snowdonia. Ystrad gynlais wedi gweld un o gostyngiadau mwyaf yn nifer y siaradwyr Cymraeg. Ystrad gynlais has seen one of the biggest reductions in the number of Welsh speakers. Gwynedd, dechrau ymgynghoriad ar gynllun ynni allweddol rhwng Cymru a'r Alban. Gwynedd, start of consultation on a key energy plan between Wales and Scotland. That's it. Oh, it's hot. Ta-ra.